Hey there, wondering if your iPhone has an original battery or if it's been replaced with a non-original one? Well, it's important to know because a non-original battery can affect your iPhone's performance or even pose some risk. Don't worry though, in this video I'll walk you through some easy steps to check if your battery is original. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check battery health in settings. First, open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, then tap on battery. Next, tap on battery health and charging. Here you'll see the maximum capacity of your battery. If your battery is original, you shouldn't see any messages warning about a replacement. For example, if it's not original, you might see a message like unable to verify here. Solution 2. Use 3U tools to check battery information. Download and install 3U tools on your PC or Mac. After that, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Now open 3U tools and wait for it to recognize your device. Once it does, go to the Device tab and then click on Battery. Next, tap on the Verification Report. Look for the battery information section. If your iPhone battery is original, it will show the manufacturer's name like Apple and other details like the serial number and manufacturing date. And that's it. Now you know how to easily check if your iPhone's battery is original or not. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or if something's unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.